So this is a short video, so I'm just going to run you through this really quick. First off, you're just going to cut off all your legs at 18 inches, and then you're going to cut off your support beams. And then you're basically just going to nail it all together. As you watch the video, you can kind of tell that it ended up kind of being a pain in the long run as I was making it, just keeping everything together. And obviously it's hyperlapse, so it looks like it was super smooth, but it actually was kind of a pain. You could probably figure out a better way to put it all together than I did. Maybe using some glue and screws would have been easier than using the nail gun. And that would be my only recommendation change that I would have done. And then just make sure you put that little support piece at the bottom of your T. That way it holds together a little bit better as you put the flower pot on top of it. And then we just stained it with this stain, and you can't really tell from the video, but it's basically just like a whitener, and it almost gives it like a whitewash look, a very low-key whitewash look, and it looks really good. And the video doesn't really do it justice, but that's really it. It's pretty simple.
Hey everybody, if you liked our video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future notifications of videos.
Also, go check us out on social media. We post helpful tips, tricks, and photos of projects we've done. You can DM us there if you have any questions or video requests.